everybody, my name is Shashank. I am the president of SREENIDHI Cancer Foundation. Within a year, we got an NGO registration, so we are a recognized NGO.
It's a very brave step, I think, at that time.
Achievements we have, the things we do, the impact we make for the people suffering with cancer, it is not imaginable for the things we do.
Shashank, how has been your role as president of SREENIDHI Cancer Foundation?
There is a hospital called MNJ Hospital that we collaborate with. Kids of age below 5 years suffering with cancer.
What was the severity of the condition at that time?
Of people who need our help. We started off with an event called Make-A-Wish. There are a few kids we have met who had months to live.
All they know is living in the hospital.
All they know is living in the hospital, taking those injections every day. What was pinching us is the pain in the parents' eyes.
ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే చాలా మంది క్యాన్సర్ బారిన పడుతున్నారు కదా. సో మీ ఫౌండేషన్ తరపున how we are going to provide assurance that they'll get cured?
The myth that we have to bust is cancer is curable.
Yes.
Yeah. We try and conduct screening camps. మన కాలేజ్లో 3 IMRస్కి స్టేజ్ 1లో ఉందని తెలిసింది.
బట్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ మోర్ దెన్ 100% ఐ ఫీల్. ఈ రూరల్ ఏరియాస్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఇది అక్కడ వరకు ఎలా రీచ్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నారు? చాలా మంది శ్రీనిధి క్యాన్సర్ ఫౌండేషన్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు. సో వాళ్ళకు మీరు ఎలాంటి మెసేజ్ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
The things we do for the people, they also don't forget us, themselves also.
My faculty always used to say that what you give, definitely it will bounce back.
It will come back.
And what are some innovative programs are being conducted through SREENIDHI Cancer Foundation?
ఒక మంచి ఫౌండేషన్ వేసి ఇచ్చారు when I started off as a president.
Truly inspiring chapter, SREENIDHI Cancer Foundation. So SREENIDHI Cancer Foundation తరపు నుంచి ఇంత ఇంపాక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది కదా. సో గవర్నమెంట్ తరపు నుంచి ఏమైనా సపోర్ట్ ఉందా మీకు?
మన ఫార్మర్ హెల్త్ మినిస్టర్ హరీష్ రావు సార్ invited us and he presented us with an award.
So are there any notable achievements apart from this in recent times?
Yeah, there's one I have to mention. Stem cells donor recruitment drive అని చెప్పి 2022లో ఒకటి చేసాం. Stem cells is from where our blood cells reproduce. Everything we do is for the betterment of the society and we like impacting people's lives.
So to what extent do you think SREENIDHI Cancer Foundation is making its impact to 100%?